Password reset not sending email on SeedLegals Fix. You've clicked forgot password on SeedLegals, but no reset email shows up. It's frustrating, but don't worry, this is a common issue that's usually fixed with a few quick steps. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. SeedLegals sends password reset emails from no-reply@seedlegals.com, and many email systems automatically flag messages with embedded links as spam. Try searching for SeedLegals or password reset in your inbox. If you still can't find it, double-check that you're using the same email link to your SeedLegals account. This is one of the most common mistakes. Users often have multiple business or personal emails and accidentally enter the wrong one. Even a small typo will stop the reset link from being sent. Next, add a SeedLegals, come to your safe sender list or contacts and resend the password reset request. Wait a few minutes before trying again. Sending multiple requests in quick succession can delay the system's response. If you're using the website, clear your browser's cache and cookies or try from a different browser altogether. Sometimes outdated sessions can block the reset request. Also, ensure your inbox isn't full and that your email provider is filtering out emails with clickable URLs. This is especially common for corporate or legal domain accounts with strict spam rules. If you've followed these steps and still haven't received anything, reach out directly to SeedLegals support. They'll verify your identity and manually send a password reset link. Most users think there is a problem with SeedLegals itself, but the surprising truth is that it's almost always an issue with email filters or address input. Follow these quick fixes and you get your password reset email delivered in no time, so you can log back in and keep building your next big deal with confidence.